Welcome to DennisTechTips. On this video, you are going to learn how to convert an image into an editable Word document. Right here on my desktop, I have a document I captured using my phone, and there is some information in the document I want to change, but I can't do that because obviously it's a picture. And typing the whole document all over again is one hell of a job, and I really don't have time for that. Instead of doing that, I'm simply going to convert the picture into a Word document. To do that, I'm going to head over to Microsoft Word and then click on my Insert menu. Within the Insert menu, select the Picture button. I am going to insert the picture in Microsoft Word. Click on this device. Within the Insert Picture dialog, select the location where I have the picture. I have it on my desktop. Select the picture and then click on Insert. Or you can just drag and drop the image in Microsoft Word. Next, you are going to export it as a PDF. To do that, head over to your File menu, select Save As. Click on Browse. On the left hand side, select the location where you want the file to be saved. Give it a file name. Select PDF as the Save As type and then click on Save. Or when you click on your File menu, select the Export option and then click on Create PDF/XPS. Within the Publish to PDF or XPS dialog, select the location where you want the PDF to be saved. Give it a file name and then click on the Publish button. Now I have the picture saved as PDF. For the final step, I'm simply going to open the PDF in Microsoft Word. Back in Microsoft Word, click on the File menu. Within the File menu, you are going to select the Open option and then click on Browse. On the Open dialog, select the location where you have the PDF, select the PDF and click on Open. Immediately, the contents of the document will be extracted and you'll be able to edit it. So that's it. You can also do this on your mobile phone. I have a video on this channel that will teach you how to use your phone to convert an image into an editable document. I have a link to the video in the description of this video. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.